video with a Nixie or VFD. Speaking of Nixies, I got my awesome 8-tube Grand Fitch Nixie clock running. $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, $900. You catch my drift? Ah, Nixies are expensive. These little guys are still fairly reasonable. So we got another box, and ooh, we got 2 kits in this one. One's not a Nixie or VFD, so we'll go over that later. So, what do I got? I think this one was actually there's actually a bunch of parts in here for a couple of kits in here. So I got VFDs in there. I got all kinds of stuff in that box. Mixed bag of something. So this little board is probably going to be the most complex little board to build. This is for a I believe it's a stereo VU meter. So it uses the IN13 Nixie tube. And this one's going to be very interesting. We're going to have to follow the circuit diagram. To build this sucker. So this is the IN13s. There's no IN13s in there, unless it's in here. That's an IN14 Nixie. Might be in there. These little bits go with that too. For the VU meter. I think these are it. It's been several years since I got these things. So I don't know exactly what does what. Oh yeah. So here are the IN13s. So this is going to be kind of like my LED VU meter, except it uses twin VFDs that go on the board here. So let's see here. They might be remote, I believe. I don't remember. I'd have to look up the specs for this. I don't remember if the tubes go on this board or they go on a remote board. So we'll put that back wherever that went. Need to find the plug for that so they don't fall out. So these are the same type of tubes that go in the Nixie Therm there. So very cool tube to have for a, especially for a VU meter. So that's going to be pretty cool. Of course, I got a bunch of stuff here. So another schematic on the stuff here. And then this went with it too. So I had to measure all the resistors values to remember where they are, because they just all came in a bag. So unless you know your band colors and stuff like that, you'd have to constantly look it up or do other stuff. So not really much of a video, other than, you know, when I get to building it, and then you see the final results of the Nixie IN13 VU meter. So that's going to be a really cool project to build, and of course having to go through the schematics and stuff like that to read the putting all the components in it. It's going to be the same like that one Fitch IN13 Nixie clock to build, where you got to read the schematics and the board and then put everything together. So that's about it for this particular video, even though it wasn't a very good one. But if you stayed this long, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.